Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and a very warm welcome to the Middle East and Africa Retail Banking Innovation Awards. This is hosted by us, the Digital Banker. My name is Nirav Patel. I'm the Managing Director of the Digital Banker. I'd actually like to start by thanking our host. A huge thanks to Hcl Technologies for supporting this program, together with the post-event research that will be made available in a few weeks' time. As always, thank you to all of the organizations that took time in putting their submissions together. It is these submissions that really enable us to undertake the research. We wouldn't be able to do this without you, and it allows us to continue to provide intelligence to the FSI community worldwide. So thank you very much for that. Now, our analysis of the banking industry is really focused on the digital revolution that is transforming the entire global economy. Trends like automation, new payment systems, and branchless banking have hugely changed the way customers bank. It's also led to structural reorganization within banks, with fewer brick and mortar outlets and employees being retrained and redeployed. Ultimately, there's an improved and more efficient customer experience. And what we actually see at our organization is banks who are, they are now more dedicated than ever to streamlining their digital channels to better support their customers. It's critical that those embracing digital disruption and also those that are, embracing digital ecosystems and meeting the rapidly changing demands of their customers and businesses are recognized and celebrated today. So we're all going to get a chance to hear from our honorees a little later on, just in a short while. But before we do so, I want you to all take note of a few of the interactive features that we've set up for you in our virtual lobby. You'll see several of these interactive features at your disposal. One of them is a photo booth and an appreciation wall. Now, on the photo booth, you will be allowed to take as many photos as you want to show appreciation to your teams and the winning initiatives. There's also an appreciation wall for you to jot down a little message. These photos will be made available to you and the public with your consent after the gala. There is also access to a number of our collateral, such as the Digital Banker magazine and our CIO Insights, which was part of our Global Private Banking Awards we recently ran, and that is the Chief Investment Officer Insights. Do take a look at that. It's a great insight into the economy and what to expect over the next 2 years. Now, we've also got a post-awards briefing that we recently introduced called Rise, and this is now a rudimentary staple that we will be offering to all of our award winners to really showcase the breadth and depth of their submissions. It gives you a little bit more insight into our methodology, but also enables you to hear firsthand from these organizations to understand what warranted their win. So keep an eye out for Rise, download it. We will also have a Rise powered by HCL subsequent to this program as well. The last thing I'd ask you to take note of for the honorees is a virtual recording room. Now, this is to be used at your discretion at your own time. Do record a 2 to 3 minute speech. We will have that then made available to yourselves and the public post-awards. I'm now going to pass you over to Vineet Shukla, who is the Associate Vice President and Business Head of the Middle East and Turkey from Hcl Technologies. Thank you once again to HCL for their support. Vineet, over to you for a few words.
Excellent. Thank you. Very good afternoon, everyone. Hope I'm audible to everyone. Can someone confirm? One of you?
Clear, loud and clear, Vineet.
Excellent. Thank you. Thanks a lot. So very good afternoon once again, everyone. I'm glad to be on this meeting with you all. I head Hcl Technologies business in the Middle East market, which is across GCC. Well, for those who do not know us very well, we are a $10 billion plus IT services organization, employing about 180,000 people across 50 plus countries. Very pleased to be engaged with the Digital Banker team on this initiative that brings together some of the top financial services organizations and partners on a common platform, celebrating and recognizing the cutting edge work done by them. Once again, it's a great pleasure to be here. Personally, on a lighter note, I quite like the timing of the event, Thursday afternoon, and also setting the celebratory tone for the weekend and Diwali next week. Well, on a senior note, we wanted to be associated with the event as it gives us an opportunity to be part of this celebration and connect with all of you here to share a glimpse of our financial services focus and also the Middle East focus. I'm not sure Am I able to present a slide here? Any of the organizing team? Can you confirm?
I'm afraid no slides, but we will be able to
That's okay.
provide the audience with that later on.
No issues. That's okay, right? Yeah. So, see, as an organization, I talked about we are $10 billion plus, right? And within that, financial services forms one of the biggest industry verticals that we focus on. About 25% of our revenues come from this industry vertical. And there are more than 35,000 people which are part of this industry, this business. Some very marquee financial services institutions like Deutsche Bank, Bank, ING, Credit Suisse. And one thing is very different is that, all these are, so we've got fewer but deeper engagements, which is our philosophy, which means that each of these engagements are typically, they run between in thousands, so they run between 1,000 people to, kind of, I would say, 3,500 people in large engagements, wherein we have and all these are essentially, and we don't work in a staff augmentation model. So these are large part of it is around fixed price outcome based kind of next gen engagements. And these engagements sort of cut across your operations optimization transformation, digital transformation, connected banking, and more around lifestyle banking kind of stuff, right? So sort of giving the bank or enabling the bank around immediate savings, digital scaling, and platform transformation model, right? From a Middle East standpoint, we have stepped up our focus in the last, I would say, 3-4 years. We've been present here for the last 10 years. But I think the large part of our focus came in the last 3 years, wherein Middle East was designated as the next kind of growth market for us from our chairman and CEO office. There's a lot of investments that are going in from Hcl Technologies side in Middle East, strategic market for us. And we've grown tremendously. So I think in the last, so we're now about more than 700 people here in Middle East. And again, going with our global philosophy here as well, it's fewer but very deeper engagements. So we've got into engagements again. Most of our engagements are sort of between, I would say, possibly between 50 and 200 people, where again we are trying to be more significant and strategic to our customers, than just being an extended arm sort of a thing. So and once again, most of these engagements, I think 75% plus of our engagements are on a fixed price outcome based model. We work with large banks in the region now. With one of the banks, we are one of the largest vendor. We're just about to announce another very large engagement in the banking space. I think you'll see that. So I think this, I hope, this gives you a glimpse of, the length and breadth of services that we have got to offer, and, the focus that we've got on Middle East. I would have loved to, shown some slides, but maybe I'll share that with the organizers here, and, they'll probably share that with you after the event. But once again, pleasure to be on this meeting with all of you. And I look forward to, all the awards and, congratulations in advance to, all the recipients here. Thank you. Over to you, Digital Banker team.
Thanks so much, Vineet. Pleasure to have you. Great to see you. And thanks for supporting the digital economy and the banking industry. We've seen a lot of great things. And with regards to the slides that you would have liked to present, we have a lot of insights, being delivered post-awards, not only from HCL, but also our own research findings as well. So look out for RISE. Thank you very much to HCL. So let's move into the trophy ceremony now. We're going to do something slightly unprecedented, which is actually to announce our People and Employee Awards first. This is typically reserved for the end of the gala, but of course we're living in this very weird virtual world, which is great because it drops borders, allows us to really come together without worrying about any form of travel. So, we've of course accommodated, and we're going to be announcing the People and Employee Awards first. The first award in this category is the Best CSR Initiative. Now, your winner for the Best CSR Initiative is United Bank for Africa, Ghana. Now, we did have Henry Dotti, Head of Marketing and Corporate Communications, who was going to say a few words, but unfortunately he has been summoned to another priority. But you will be able to hear from United Bank for Ghana, and keep an eye out for that post-show. But congratulations to the bank. We move over to the next award in the category, which is the Best Graduate Employment Program. And this winner today is Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank Egypt. And here we have Mr. Armin Shouki. I hope I'm pronouncing the surname correctly there. Armin is the Head of Human Resources. Over to you, Armin. Please do say a few words.
Distinguished guests, good morning. I'm extremely honored to be receiving such an important award for this initiative, building up human capabilities. Our aim at ADCB Egypt is to support the future of promising youth by developing their skills and empowering them to secure promising career paths in the banking sector. This is why we have initiated the ADCB Training Academy for the young graduates. I'm really proud that all of these graduates are now members of ADCB Egypt's team. This is an ongoing initiative, as ADCB Training Academy will be continuing to develop more Egyptian youth for the coming years, inshallah. We are investing in the future. I sincerely would like to extend my appreciation to each one of my team members for their exerted efforts, as well as to Mr. Ihab Swerki, the MD and CEO of ADCB Egypt. Thank you to you all.
Thank you very much for appearing today. Congratulations to you and the whole ADCB Egypt team. Let's move over to our final award within this category, and that is the penultimate rather, and that is the CEO of the Year of Egypt, and that actually goes to Mr. Ihab El Swerki, who is the Managing Director and CEO of Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank Egypt. We have him here today with us. So over to you, Ihab, for a few words. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. It's really a great honor to be here today with all of you in this important event, and I'm extremely grateful for this recognition that comes just 1 year after the launch of ADCB in Egypt. To receive this award of CEO of the Year, there should be also an award for the Team of the Year, and I would definitely dedicate it to ADCB Egypt team. Also, I sincerely thank ADCB Group CEO for his immense trust and support, as well as the board members of ADCB Egypt. Year one for ADCB Egypt was quite challenging, yet full of achievements to drive the bank's transformation towards excellence. At all times, our ambition is to make an impact for our customers, our people, and our community. I really look forward to hear the name of ADCB Egypt many more times in this award ceremony, and more to come, inshallah. Thank you, much appreciated. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Ihab. Congratulations to you and the team. We now move over to the final award within the people category, and that is the CEO of the Year Qatar. And your winner is Mr. Basel Gamal, who is the Group Chief Executive Officer of Qatar Islamic Bank, otherwise known as QIB. We have Basel here today with us. So over to you, gentlemen, to say a few words.
Hello, everybody. Unfortunately, we don't have our CEO, Mr. Basel Gamal. He had an emergency, so this is Dinos, the Chief Strategy Officer of the bank, with Mr. Anand, the Chief Retail Officer of the bank. So thank you very much, everybody at the Digital Banker. It is on behalf of Mr. Basel, it is a big honor for QIB to receive 6 awards during this year's Retail Banking Innovation Awards. It's a testament for the good work we believe we're doing in QIB when it comes to digital transformation. A few words that Mr. Basel wanted to share is that our digital transformation is customer-centric. The reason we have this program and we bring these innovations to the market is it has one goal: to make a better customer experience for our customers. We have seen a massive adoption of our digital solutions, our digital channels, sales, transactions across all the channels, the digital channels of the bank. And we believe that this is mainly due to the fact that we really address the real needs of our customers. And at the same time, we provide them exactly what they are looking for at these days, right? Which is speed, convenience, simplicity, and personalization through the use of data analytics. Here at QIB, we would also like to thank our loyal customers for the ongoing trust, and of course, all the employees of the bank for the continuous efforts to make QIB a customer-centric and then digitally enabled bank. At the same time, and also a thank you to the organizers for these awards. It is great to bring minds that work to take the industry forward together and share experiences and thoughts. So thank you very much for everything.
Thank you very much, gentlemen, and congratulations to Basel Gamal there, CEO of the Year for Qatar. Some very interesting points touched on just before we move on to our next award category, which is the Retail Product Innovation Awards. This, for those of you who may be unfamiliar with the Digital Banker, is our inaugural retail banking program within the Middle East and Africa. It's an absolutely fantastic market. There are so many nuances, so many digital banking opportunities. You know, we're seeing banking transformed emphatically. It's never going to be the same again. We've seen COVID-19 absolutely, really drive acceleration and customer service across the digital channels. Let's look at the rise of fintechs and see how they're changing the face of banking, and customer expectations are just going through the roof. So these programs really enable us to look at the efforts that banks are driving, essentially to actually integrate these experiences into one seamless platform, how they're embracing rather the ecosystem play. This really allows us to see and predict where the industry is going to go in the next 5 to 10 years. So with that, let's not hold you back. Let's look at our Retail Product Innovation Awards, of which we have 10 within the category. And our very first award within the Retail Innovation Awards is the Best Digital Wallet of the Year. This is a highly competitive category. And your winner for this Best Digital Wallet of the Year is Live Digital Bank, also known as by Emirates MBD. And here we have Sachin Chandana, a familiar face. Hi Sachin, how are you? Sachin is the SVP, Head of Customer Intelligence and Engagement. Let me pass it over to Sachin for a few words.
Thank you so much. We are delighted and we are thankful for winning this award once again. That's it. And I believe we'll say a lot more after a few awards are done and hopefully receive one or two more. Thank you so much.
Thanks very much, Sachin. And just on that note, do remember there is an interactive lobby in which there's a dedicated recording room. So please do go there at your own leisure and give your team some recognition and record a 2 to 3 minute speech, which will be made available to you. Let's move over to our next award within the category of Retail Product Innovation Awards, and that is the Credit Card of the Year. And your winner is none other than Emirates NBD, and we were going to have Deepak Chandran, who was going to say a few words, but unfortunately he couldn't be with us today. He's actually the SVP of Head of Retail Assets and Cards. You'll again get a chance to hear from all honorees post awards. We move on to the Debit Card of the Year now, and your winner here is Meme Digital Banking by Gulf International Bank. And it looks like we did have Mohammed bin Salah, but again, he's been called away. He is the head of marketing. But congratulations to Meme Digital Banking by Gulf International Bank, or GIB. Nonetheless, let's move over to the fourth award within this category, and that is the Mortgage Product of the Year. Now, your winner for the Mortgage Product of the Year goes to Absa Bank Limited. And we have here with us the very lovely Nondumiso Nakapai, and she's the head of Home Loans Products. Over to you, Nondumiso, for a few words.
Thank you very much to everyone. As a bank, as Absa Bank, we are deeply appreciative for the award that we've just received. We fundamentally recognize the importance of home ownership in our country. And as a digitally led bank, we've collaborated, we've leveraged technology and the proliferation of the smartphone device in Africa to enable market access in our country. The capability was developed with the customer at the center and acknowledging the anxiety that most people feel when they're making that significant financial decision in their lives. The digital process that we've designed was redesigned again to reduce the time spent online from 45 minutes to 15 minutes. We offer a unique experience when more than one person applies for a mortgage product. We also offer an approval online, which is awesome for the open market. We've seen value of billions of applications coming through in value through the platform. And our digital vision is continuing over the next couple of years. Our aspiration is to originate 15% of sales, mortgage sales from this platform. And we're quite excited as a bank to be acknowledged for the great work and collaboration to make this possible for our customers. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and a huge congratulations to ABSA for that award. Great to hear some of those numbers there, and that's what it's all about. It's really about driving that seamless customer experience and really understanding those pain points. That is what customers are looking for, and that is really what's going to set banks apart. So congratulations to you, Nondamiso, and your team at ABSA. Let's move over to the best savings account. We're halfway through the Retail Product Innovation Awards, and your winner for the best savings account is once again Meme Digital Banking by Gulf International Bank, GIB. Unfortunately, we don't have a representative here today, but please do keep an eye out for the criteria and what warranted this win post-awards. Our sixth award in the category is Loan Offering of the Year. And your winner is, once again, Meme Digital Bank by GIB. Congratulations. Moving over to the outstanding response to COVID-19 in SME loans. Now, this is a category across all of our programs that are relevant to it that has seen a number of entries, and we've seen some fascinating transformation by banks to really alleviate the pain points felt by SMEs during the pandemic. So it gives me a great honor to really represent the winner, or not represent rather, but to actually announce the winner, which is Fidelity Bank Ghana Limited. And here we have Mr. Thomas Ishmael Adjei, who is the head of product development. So Thomas, over to you. Congratulations. Please say a few words.
Well, thank you very much, and good day, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Fidelity Bank Ghana, I would like to first and foremost thank the Digital Banker for this honor. It is truly humbling to see our efforts being recognized by such a prestigious awarding body. Most importantly, I would like to thank our loyal customers. We are grateful that you chose to trust us with your financial needs. Thank you for believing with us.
Congratulations, Thomas. Well done to Fidelity Bank Ghana.
Thank you very much.
Now we move over to the Consumer Finance Product of the Year, and that actually goes to your winner, Ecobank Nigeria Limited. And here we did have Mrs. Olukrude Demola Adini. She was going to give us a smile and a wave, but she is the head of consumer banking. I believe that there are some audio issues on her end, so unfortunately we're unable to hear from her live right now, but we'll try and stream her in later on. Nonetheless, a huge congratulations to Ecobank Nigeria Limited. And here we move over to the Digital Lending Product of the Year. And your winner here is Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank, otherwise known as ADCB. And here we have Abhishek Saha, who is the head of credit cards. Abhishek, congratulations to you. Great to see you. Give us a smile and a wave, I guess. Excellent. Our final, I believe our final award within this category is the Best Payment Merchant Services of the Year. And your winner here is Bank Mus. And here we have Mahmoud El Nashtari, who is the head of mobile payments, digital acceptance, and fintechs. Mahmoud, congratulations to you. Over to you for a few words.
Thank you very much. This is an opportunity that we are all proud of I guess strategically, Bank Misr is looking for providing the best-in-class services for our merchants where we can digitize all the payments. We did not stop off the physical POS or the traditional one. We went for the payments, the e-commerce, mobile commerce, etc. And we're committed to deliver more and more. We can digitize all the cash payments. So thanks a lot.
You're very welcome, well warranted, and congratulations. So we are going to be moving on into our next category. For those of you who are unfamiliar with how our virtual galas have run since the pandemic started, we've tried to keep away from reading out too many citations, really deep diving into the initiative, because we understand that people have busy agendas, especially when programs are virtual. So we want you to enjoy this moment, to celebrate everything. Rest assured there will be an in-depth level of insights coming out post-show if you're interested in the initiatives and why they were judged as they are. So let's move over into our technology awards, ladies and gents, and we're going to start off with the best AI initiative. And your winner here is none other than Absa Bank. And we have here Riaz Patel, who is the lead for the Digital Project Management Office. Riaz, great to see you again. Let's hear from you, a few words if you don't mind.
Thank you so much. Thank you to Digital Banker for this fantastic award. And our innovation vision at Absa Digital is quite simple. We want to foster the creativity in each of us and use that to improve our world. I think it's this vision that has propelled us to really embark on our AI journey and to leverage it to create great that satisfy our customers regarding digital banking, security, navigation, end-to-end journeys. We've been really purposeful about AI at Absa, and we placed it at the core of our digital ecosystem. Our virtual assistant, known as Abby, which is available in our banking app, forms part of that broader strategic plan to consolidate all of our AI efforts towards a unified roadmap using a single architecture. Using machine learning as well as feedback loops, we've been able to enhance Abby's knowledge base as the platform has matured and create models for learning and digital experiences, with the human touch. We really see Abby as an Absa employee, providing that great customer service that customers expect from their Absa human agent. Once again, on behalf of everyone at Absa, including Abby, we're really excited to receive this award. It demonstrates our innovation, our digital acceleration, and commitment to our customers, colleagues, and communities. Thank you very much.
Fantastic. Thanks, Riaz, and congratulations to Absa and Abby. Let's move over to the second award within the technology category, and that is the best application of IoT. And here we have a winner for the first time from our end, and we're delighted that it is Absa Bank Mauritius. And here we have Ravin Daji, who is the managing director. I think, Ravin, you're able to say a few words, so I'm going to pass the floor over to you. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, and thank you for the award. I think Riaz has summed up a bit of Abby of what's done, but all of us have gone through some difficult times and challenging times during COVID and 2021, but it was also an opportunity, in my view, to find new channel for our clients. And I think the team led by Sandeep in Mauritius, I think developed this whole Abby and AI-powered personal digital banker in our branches. And so we established a new way of self-serving banking in Mauritius. So extremely proud of that, and I hope client sees the value of Abby and the opportunity for them to deal directly and to have a different approach to banking. So I think it's really digital transformation to serve clients, and it's just not only things being developed for the purpose of developing, but it's really adding value to clients' approach and so on. So thank you very much for that, and like to thank Digital Banker for acknowledging and rewarding Absa Mauritius for that. Thank you very much.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Ravin. Congratulations to Absa Mauritius over there. And we move over to the best chatbot service. And I don't have to give you any surprises. Your winner here once again is Absa Bank. And here we have Michelle Pizarro this time, who's the lead digital portfolio manager. I believe, Michelle, you're going to say a few words, so the floor is yours.
Thank you. On behalf of Absa, I would like to thank you for the recognition given through this award. It is a true honor. Our rationale for introducing Absa Abi was inspired by the group's strategic directive to be a digitally led business, as well as global key trends around technological developments in financial services. Absa recognizes that conversational artificial intelligence is increasingly being used to drive greater customer experience and digital adoption, continuous innovation, and process optimization. Absa believes that conversational AI is a key lever to pull in the group's digital strategy. To this end, Absa is investing in conversational AI to create a new omni-channel chatbot, which seamlessly integrates banking into customers' lives, making banking simpler and more convenient for them. The successful implementation of the initial phase of this project is positively impacting our customers by enhancing digital engagement with Absa Abi within the banking app. The non-financial metrics are positive, and we anticipate further improvement, which we expect to positively impact the bank's financial position in the form of reduced cost to serve, improved upselling, and streamlined call center operating costs. Our AI journey is set to continue in 2022 and beyond, with a view to expand chatbot capability to our other digital channels such as web and WhatsApp. So in summary, our vision for Absa Abi is an intelligent virtual assistant that empowers customers to get banking done efficiently, anywhere, anytime. Using AI to personalize the experience, it proactively meets customers' personal banking needs, offers contextual assistance, makes relevant suggestions, and provides unique insights to assist customers to achieve unparalleled control of their finances. Once again, thank you.
Thanks, Michelle, for that comprehensive insight into the initiative. Great to see. And congratulations to you and the entire team at Absa. Let's move over to the Best RPA Initiative. And your winner for this award is United Arab Bank, UAB. And here we have Mr. Ayman Al-Kusti, who is the Chief Information Officer. I believe, Ayman, you are able to say a few words, so I'm going to pass the floor over to you. But once again, congratulations.
Well, thank you, my dear. We're really delighted at United Arab Bank to be recognized for the Best RPA Initiative. United Arab Bank take client centricity at the front of their top priorities, and we're adapting the cutting-edge technologies to provide the best possible experience for our customers. Actually, this milestone is one of our starting building block pillars from a technology perspective into our United Arab Bank digital transformation journey that started last year. I would like to thank everybody from the digital banker team on hosting us and giving us this opportunity to participate in this event, to the judging panel, and to our team internally at United Arab Bank, the IT team, operation, the sponsorship that couldn't happen without, the blessing from our CEO and the management team. Thank you all for having us.
Yeah, some lovely words there. Thanks very much, Ayman. Congratulations to you and United Arab Bank. I believe this is the final award within this category, and we move over to our outstanding cloud offering. And your winner here is Hcl Technologies. We heard from Vineet Shukla a little bit earlier on. I'm once again going to pass the floor over to him. Vineet, congratulations to you and the Hcl team for this outstanding cloud offering award. Please go ahead.
Thank you. Thanks a lot once again, and honored to receive this award on behalf of Hcl Technologies. And especially the category, I'm quite excited about. Cloud, as we all know, has transformed from being a technology differentiator to essentially a business accelerator, for delivering growth, agility, and exceptional experiences. We find ourselves at the forefront of cloud transformation programs for clients, which is globally and also here in Middle East. Very privileged to be part of such transformation journeys of banks here in Middle East. And very pleased to accept this award as a recognition of the cutting edge work that we did with the client of ours, helping them not only craft the robust cloud strategy, but more importantly, making it real for them. I think that is a clear kind of value that we brought in. Thanks digital banker team for the same. I dedicate this award to all the Hcl employees, as we call them, ideapreneurs, Hcl ideapreneurs, who made this possible. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Thanks so much, Vineet. Congratulations to you and HCL for the outstanding cloud offering. I believe we are going to be moving into our Digital Innovation Awards. One thing we have seen actually, when we're looking at retail banks, of course, customer experience, really seems to be at the forefront. So organizations putting customers at the front of their business, looking less at profitability, of course, they still have to, but more at resolving customer pain points. One interesting trend we've seen is looking at the venture arms of banks, innovation labs, and understanding, how these organizations are actually incubating fintech models, or how banks are looking at products and services through the lens of fintech. They have the regulatory frameworks, they have the expertise, the scale, the bandwidth. Of course, there are regulatory constraints, but at the same time, we're seeing some exceptional work develop in that, and we're proud to be bringing you some of those insights over the next year. So for those of you who don't follow The Digital Banker, please visit digitalbankeronline.com. Follow us on LinkedIn at The Digital Banker. Also, our other company, Global Private Banker, there are a lot of great insights, particularly across the retail banking landscape. I'm going to move straight over to our digital innovation category right now. This is obviously a very competitive category. We have a number of submissions on our global programs, and I'm glad to say that albeit this being our inaugural program in MEA and Africa for retail, we received a substantial amount of submissions. So I am delighted to introduce your first award, which is the Excellence in Digital Innovation. And here your winner is Qatar Islamic Bank, and I think we had Dinos Constantindes, the Chief Strategy and Digital Officer. I think, gentlemen, you're going to give us a smile and a wave this time, but congratulations for this award for excellence in digital innovation.
Yeah, I could say a few words.
Please do. Yeah, go ahead.
Because I like to do exactly what you mentioned, right? Working with fintechs, and it's not only working with fintechs. It's in order to innovate in the first place, and then even more importantly, to keep on innovating, right? Because it's not that for 2-3 years you innovated and then you stop. It's a marathon. You need to create the right structures, and I think this is the biggest challenge of any transformation. How you will work, right? You need to start thinking digital first, and then you need to work in ways that you will be able to co-create internally within all the departments of the bank, but also with the outside world, with traditional software companies, with new startup fintechs that have a total different mentality, and bring everything together. So I think what we realized in QIB after being now in our third wave of digital transformation is that maybe the most important deliverable that we have created as a team is that digital lab, how we are putting people from business, technology, digital, and all the other places in the bank to work together and keep on innovating. So thank you very much for appreciating that as well for the award.
You're very welcome, and thank you for those words as well. And if you'd like to hear more about QIB's initiative, then once again, keep your eyes peeled for the post-event collateral. We do have a highly acclaimed in this category, and for those of you who are unfamiliar with what highly acclaimed constitutes, it's typically where we have a really high, a highly competitive category. Our judges may think that there is another organization that warrants some merit and recognition. We'll typically have a winner and a maximum of up to one highly acclaimed. So I'm delighted to, I believe this is the only highly acclaimed award of today, and that is Excellence in Digital Innovation, which goes to none other than NBE, otherwise known as National Bank of Egypt. And here we have Mrs. Nancy Bebawi. She is the head of sectors in the technology group. So if you could give us a smile and wave, Nancy. I'm not sure if I don't think you're saying a few words, but if you are and can, then feel free. Yes. Otherwise, congratulations.
First of all, I'm very honored to receive this award on behalf of National Bank of Egypt. As you know, we are the oldest commercial bank in Egypt. We have achieved these achievements by diversity of projects and products that we have provided and our customers, and we have also been keen to deliver the top-notch quality of products in order to continue the leadership in the market. With the augmentation of digital technologies, our customers have become more demanding to digital experience, and of course the pandemic has redesigned our lives and the way we do our banking services, and this has increased the demand that we want to go further to personalization, and we have taken the leadership in National Bank of Egypt to use the best approaches in artificial intelligence to enhance our customer experience and offering high tailored services at the right time with the right channel to our customers. The bank has a very ambitious plan in regards to our digital services and innovation, and we have the best calibers in the market to achieve this plan, to move on to much more success. Thank you.
Thanks very much, Nancy. Congratulations to you and National Bank of Egypt. Good to hear from you. And we move over to the third award out of 11 within the digital innovation category, and this is the Best Digital Transformation Program. And your winner here is Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank in Egypt, and we have Morad Kassem, who is the head of digital banking and alternative delivery channels. Morad, I'm going to pass the floor over to you for a few words. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir, and thanks for the Digital Banker for such an award. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm really honored to receive such an award because at ADCB Egypt, we have put a lot of effort and time to make this happen, for which I would like to extend this award also to our leader and inspirer, Mr. Ihab Eswedi, the Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director of Egypt, and to all the retail leadership team and to information technology for making such a award happen. Also, I would like us to brief everyone about what was done at ADCB, because we are a late entrant bank in the market. We are the latest one. We entered the market at September 2020. So our age is almost 1 year now. At ADCB, we started the digital transformation journey since entered the market by September 2020, as I mentioned, with one goal, to heading towards a digital leading bank, inshallah, in Egypt, with more than currently, as we speak, we have delivered like 100 plus digital service to our customers and putting the customer up front of everything we do. And also, we are looking for become a digital disruptor in the field of digital banking. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, Morad, and congratulations to ADCB. Let's move over to the next award within the digital innovation category, and that is Outstanding Digital Acceleration in Response to COVID-19. For obvious reasons, we've seen a lot of activity within this space. We've seen a lot of the way that banks service their channels, or their customers rather, and how customers consume and transact with financial services change. And your winner here is Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank, and once again we have Abhishek Saha, head of credit cards. Abhishek, I'm not sure if you're audible today, but if you are, then do say a few words. If not, please do take advantage of the recording room so that we can at least hear from you post awards.
Thank you so much. On behalf of Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank, firstly, thank the Digital Banker for awarding us with 2 prestigious awards in this edition of the Innovation Forum. At ADCB, we keep the customer at the heart of every other digital transformation that we undertake. The awards this afternoon are a strong validation of our philosophy that service excellence needs to be achieved through meaningful and digital transformation. And that's what we had set ourselves to be. Thank you so much, and I believe there's more to come in the program. And congratulations to all other co-winners as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Abhishek. Congratulations to you. We move over to the Best Digital Payments Initiative now, still within the digital innovation category, and your winner today is Bank Mus, and here we have Mr. Ihab Dora, who is the head of branches and retail banking. Ihab, over to you. Congratulations.
Thank you for the award, and thank you for moving into a less cash society is a main Central Bank of Egypt initiative, and being one of the largest banks in Egypt, we are pushing hard in this direction through tie-ups with the largest merchants, marketplaces, aggregators, and also with the collaboration with all the fintechs that's working with the amazing applications and digital solutions. So I think we're seeing tremendous growth annually in the market and in specific in Bank Misr. And I think this is going to go on. Thank you again, all of you, for the recognition, and happy to be with this bunch of banking experts.
Congratulations to Bank Misr, and thanks very much for those words, Ihab. Let's move over to the excellence in digital wealth management. Another focus area that we're seeing a substantial amount of investment driven by banks, really democratizing wealth management to the day-to-day retail customer. We're seeing a huge amount of technology adoption by banks. This is a great area, almost warrants its own sort of awards program when we're looking at digital wealth. But I'm delighted to introduce your winner here for the Excellence in Digital Wealth Management Award, and that is Standard Chartered Bank. And here we have Dr. Owen Young, who is the Managing Director of Wealth Management, Africa, Middle East and Europe. Owen, congratulations to you and your team. Please do say a few words if you can. Oh, I think you may be on mute.
Can you hear me now?
I can, loud and clear. Thanks, Owen.
Okay. Yeah, well, thanks for this award. It's obviously a good recognition for a lot of people's hard work. So thanks to the Digital Banker for this award. Thank you.
Thanks very much, Owen, and congratulations to Standard Chartered. We now move over to the Outstanding Digital Innovation in SME Banking. And your winner here is First City Monument Bank. And here we have Paul Adebo, who is the head emerging segment for SME. So Paul, over to you. If you're able to say a few words, if not, a smile and a wave will suffice. No, I don't believe so. But congratulations, Paul. Congratulations to FCMB. You'll get an opportunity to hear from the bank at a later stage. And we move over to the next award.
Thank you.
Oh, there we go. Sorry about that. Go ahead, Paul.
Yeah, thank you. So on behalf of First City Monument Bank, I say a big thank you to the organizers of this award. It is deeply humbling to see our efforts validated at this level. We understand that the behavior of SMEs are being influenced by technology, and the goal is to provide quality banking services to SMEs. We have seen our loans grow to SMEs by up to about 800% in a single year on the back of digital lending. And it is an opportunity at this time to thank our many SME customers and, of course, development partners that we've worked with. And as such, we're pleased to receive this award, being the 6th in this year. Thank you.
Thank you very much for those words, Paul. Congratulations to FCMB. And of course, SMEs are the backbone of many economies. And it's great to see the support they get through the likes of digital lending, etc. Again, another very interesting research area for the digital banker. We're going to move over to the 8th award out of 11, and that is Best Pureplay Digital Current Account. Your winner here is Absa Bank Limited, and here we have Sandeep Mohapatra, who is the Director of Digital Transformation and Technology. I'm going to pass you over to Sandeep. Great smile. Sandeep, over to you.
Thank you. Thanks. It's indeed an honor. We at Absa Mauritius, we've introduced several groundbreaking and industry-first initiatives to bring possibilities to the life of our customers. Absa Digi Account is a unique digital customer value proposition. The digital onboarding process is powered by digital KYC, which is industry first in Mauritius, and an AI-powered chat and co-browsing. It brings the best of emerging tech, such as face recognition, natural language processing, data analytics, optical character recognition, RPA, business process modeling, and so on and so forth to bring a delightful customer experience. The coveted Digital Banker Awards reinforces our belief in the bold and ambitious digital transformation program that we've embarked on. It reflects that we as a team are brave, passionate, and ready to do things differently, to deliver disruptive and game-changing capabilities that gets things done for our customers. Thank you so much for this.
Thank you very much, Sandeep. Congratulations to ABSA. Mauritius there. Let's move over to the Best Digital Banking Initiative. And your winner here is Al Rajhi Bank, Saudi Arabia. And we do have Mr. Abdullah Al Faraji. I believe he is present. The camera may not be on, but Abdullah is the GM of Digital and Payments. So I'd like to congratulate Al Rajhi Bank for this award. Well done. Let's move over to the penultimate award within this category, and that is for the Best API Initiative. Your winner here, once again, is Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank, ADCB, and here we have Netra Kaikini, who is the Manager of Ecosystems Retail Digital Transformation. Netra, I'm not sure if you're saying a few words. If not, a smile and a wave will suffice.
Yeah, thank you very much, Digital Banker. I'm very honored to be a part of this prestigious event and to accept this award on behalf of the ADCB Retail Digital Transformation team. Winning this award has been, especially for our first ecosystem initiative, has been a true testament to the vision of our leadership, the passion, creativity, and the hard work the entire squad has displayed. On behalf of ADCB and the entire squad, I'd like to thank Digital Banker for this recognition and validation. Thank you.
Thank you very much there, Netra. Well done to ADCB. Excellent work. And here we go over to the last award within the category, which is the Best Digital Financial Inclusion Initiative. And your winner here is Standard Chartered. And once again, we have Owen Young, MD, Wealth Management, Africa, Middle East, and Europe. Owen, great to see you again, and congratulations for this award. Well done, Standard Chartered, and everybody involved. We now, I believe, are done with that category, and we have two more to go. So with that, we're going to move quite swiftly on to the Service Innovation Awards. I believe there is one more category after this. The first award within the Service Innovation Awards is the Best Financial Inclusion Initiative. For obvious reasons, this has been, an initiative at the forefront of a number of banks, particularly in emerging markets, and we've seen a lot of transformation, a lot of evolution within financial inclusion. And I'm proud to present your winner here today, which is Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank, Egypt. And here we have Ines Kadri, the Head of Communication and Customer Excellence and Financial Inclusion. Ines, over to yourself for a few words. Congratulations.
Thank you. Hi, everyone. Who represent EDCB Egypt today, and at EDCB Egypt we have 360 vision in financial inclusion. Actually, our vision is based on inclusion via empowerment. This is why we have dedicated our efforts on the people of determination. So many services have been presented to meet their way of life and to meet their need. And this is only a first milestone done in 2021. We foresee to do more during 2022 in alignment with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals and Egypt's vision. We definitely align our vision with the group of ADCP, working for the best sake of all segments and especially people of determination. Finally, I thank you and I thank the management of ADCB Egypt for their visionary leadership. Thank you, everyone. And expect to see ADCB Egypt for the financial next year.
Thanks for that, Ines, and thanks to ADCB. Congratulations for your work there. We're going to move over to the Best Customer-Centric Business Model. And your winner here is Emirates MBD. We heard from Sachin Chandana, who's the SVP of Head in Customer Intelligence Engagement, a little bit earlier on. We have him back here. Sachin, I'm not sure if you wanted to say a few words for this particular initiative, but well done to you and your team.
Yes, if I'm audible, I can. In fact, thank you so much for this. The initiative, we call it multiplier effect. It solves three main problems: whom to target, what to sell, and how to communicate. Basically, it's customer preference married to business profitability and effective communication. So that has helped change our customer experience level to a great extent. And thank you so much for recognizing us, and congratulations to all the winners.
Thank you very much. Congratulations to you there, Sachin, and to Emirates MBD. We move over to the last award within the category, which is the Best Payments Innovation. I believe we may have a camera issue here, but we do have our winner, Mr. Oladele Adebayo, and he is from Sterling Bank. Oh, the camera seems to be working, but congratulations for the Best Payments Innovation Award, which goes to Sterling Bank PLC. I believe the connection isn't great, so we will have to hear from you a little bit later on, Oladele. But thank you very much for being present here today, and once again, congratulations to all the winners. We do have a few more categories to go, but we're not too far from the end. So if we could move over into the next award category, which is the Frictionless Awards. Your first award within this category is the Outstanding Client Onboarding and Account Opening. And the winner here is Fidelity Bank Ghana Limited. And here we have Mr. Godfred Atafua, who's the Director of Channels and Sales at Retail Banking. Over to you there, Godfred, for a few words.
Morning, people. We at Fidelity Bank wish to express our profound gratitude to the digital banker for recognizing our efforts to offer convenience to our customers through our continuous innovation in banking. This award is dedicated to all our customers who have opened accounts using our online account opening solution. We thank you all very much. Together, we'll continue to achieve even greater. Thank you, Digital Banker, for this recognition.
Thanks very much, Godfred, and congratulations to Fidelity Bank Ghana for that award.
Thank you. Thank you.
Let's move over to the Best Digital Account Opening. And here we have your winner, Qatar Islamic Bank, QIB. We had Mr. D. Anand, who's the General Manager of Personal Banking. We've heard a few words from the gentleman today, so I believe it's going to be a smile and a wave, but excellent work and well done for the recognition. Let's go over to the next award, please, and that's Outstanding IT Transformation. And your winner here is ADCB Egypt. We have here Hisham Mohi. He is the CIO, Chief Information Technology Officer, rather. Would you like to say a few words, Hisham? Congratulations for this award.
Thank you so much. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm delighted to be here today digitally and extremely honored to be receiving the Outstanding IT Transformation Award from the Digital Bank. Winning this award wouldn't have been possible without the trust and support of ADCB Egypt Managing Director. I would like to extend my gratitude and appreciation to my colleagues in the technology group. What a way to recognize a hard year's work and extensive efforts to have the state-of-the-art technology architecture that aligns with ADCB Egypt strategy while leading the digitalization breakthrough based on agile, service-oriented, and open banking technology platform. Thank you once again, the Digital Banker, and everyone who had a hand in this event. Thank you.
Congratulations to you, Hisham, and to ADCB for this award. We have the Best Data Analytics Initiative next, and the winner here is Emirates MBD Well done to Emirates. We have Gaurav Sengupta, who is the VP, Head of Analytics and Market Research, to accept this award. Congratulations. I believe your microphone may be on mute.
Is it better?
There we go. You're audible now. Yeah, perfect.
Oh, excellent. So we are thrilled on being selected for this award. Combating financial crime is a key challenge in the financial sector, and our framework provides a comprehensive and holistic approach to assess the risk of a customer across his life cycle. And this helps us fine-tune our onboarding, our ongoing remediation, as well as our alerts, detection, and redressal process. For this project, we would particularly want to thank our colleagues in the compliance and the governance teams at Emirates NBD and Emirates Islamic, as well as KPMG for all the guidance, support, and validation. And we sincerely hope that this gets adopted as a best practice in the entire industry. And congratulations to all the winners and best wishes to all participants. Thanks.
Cheers, Gaurav. Thanks very much, and congratulations to Emirates NBD for the Best Data Analytics Initiative. We move over to the Outstanding Customer Service Transformation, the penultimate award in this category, and your winner here is Live Digital Bank, or Live by Emirates NBD. And here we have Ankit Agarwal, who is the head of customer at Live. I'm unsure if you're able to say a few words, but give it a shot if you can.
Sure, I can. So, digital banker team for the award. For those who don't know, Live is the first and largest digital bank in the region. We are a true digital bank, no branches, no call center, no IVR. So for us to achieve this kind of award is a true recognition for all the efforts that we have put in streamlining our journey and making sure that the customers are truly happy. Our NPS score, Net Promoter Score, on average is 72, which is the highest globally of any organization. So this also validates all the efforts that we've done in transforming our customer service. So I want to thank the whole team and also want to congratulate all the other winners. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ankit. Thanks for that. Congratulations to Liv. We move over to the final award in this category, which is the Best Frictionless Credit Evaluation, and that goes to Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank. And here we have Netra Kaikini once again. Congratulations, Netra, and congratulations to ADCB. And we will actually be moving over to the next award category, which is the Marketing and Customer Engagement Awards. We're nearly done. Do bear with us. There's only a few more to go, and then we will conclude the ceremony. So let's jump straight into the Marketing and Customer Engagement Awards with your first award of the category, which is Best Lifestyle App. And this goes to Sterling Bank PLC. And once again, we have Oladele, who's a product manager of Social Pay. So unfortunately, there is a connection issue there, but we'll get to hear from Oladele and the Sterling Bank team on those initiatives. We move over now to the Outstanding Digital Marketing Initiative. And here we see a winner for the first time today, which is none other than Access Bank PLC. And here we have Chioma Afe, who is the Group Head of Group Retail Marketing and Analytics. Chioma, would you like to say a few words? Great background there, by the way. Go ahead.
Yes, I would. Okay, thank you so much. On behalf of the board and management of Access Bank PLC, we are indeed grateful for this award and this recognition. Access Bank's brand promise is to deliver more than banking services. And in terms of our marketing campaigns, as of last year and even this year, we sought to delight our customers, encourage them to keep transacting with us, and to reward them for their loyalty. So it's great to see that recognized via this award, and we look forward to even more in the future. Thank you.
Thanks very much, Chioma. Congratulations to you and to Access Bank for that recognition. And we move over to the Best Social Media Marketing Initiative. And your winner here is none other than Emirates NBD, and here to represent the organisation is Gautam Kapoor, who is the Vice President and Head of Digital Engagement. I believe this is the first time we're seeing you this evening, Gautam, so I'm not sure, or this afternoon rather, but if you are able to say a few words, go ahead if you're audible. Unfortunately not. If there is a mute button, give it a little click. Don't worry if not. That's have we got anything? Unfortunately,
am I audible now?
There we go.
Am I audible now?
You are.
Excellent. Okay, great. Truly delighted with this recognition. Thank you, Digital Banker. Our CEO Shane Nelson has one mantra, and that is digitize or die. And I truly believe that this award is a validation of the maturity of our data-driven digital marketing practice at Emirates NBD. I truly accept this award on behalf of our visionary leaders, our digital and social media partners, and of course, to my passionate team who constantly drives to deliver initiatives that are inspirational, innovative, and impactful. Thank you again very much, Digital Banker. Congratulations to all the winners, and have a great weekend. Thank you.
Thanks so much, Gautam. Some great words. Congratulations to Emirates NBD there. Let's move over to the Omni-Channel Awards straight away, which is another category. Just 3 awards in this category, and the first one is the Best ATM Innovation. And your winner here is Bank Mus, and here we have Mu'taz Metawi, who is the GM Cards Business Payments and E-Channels Retail Banking. So, Mr. Mu'taz, over to you for a few words. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Hi, everyone. I'm really honored to be present with you today, receiving this award. The ATM is one of our important alternative channels that we work very hard on increasing the number of ATMs by 60% to reach 4,000 ATM across the country. Not only that, we work very hard on revamping the user experience, introducing new services like the cardless deposit and activation of debit card and prepaid card through the ATM. And today we take pride in seeing huge utilization of these new services that we have introduced. Finally, I would like to thank the team for their dedication and Bank Mus leadership for embracing a culture of change. Thank you.
Thank you, and congratulations, Mu'taz, to Bank Mus as well there. Best, and we actually move over now to the Best Mobile Banking. This is another initiative, and here we have your winner, which is none other than QIB, Qatar Islamic Bank. Once again, great to see you, gentlemen, and congratulations to you both and the organisation. And that is for the Best Mobile Banking. We move finally on to the last award within this category, which is the Outstanding Response to COVID-19 for Branchless Banking. Now, we heard a few words from this lady a little bit earlier on, but I'm going to pass you over to Chioma Afe from Access Bank PLC. Once again, congratulations to Access Bank.
Thank you. Thank you so much to the Digital Banker. In terms of our response to COVID-19 branchless banking, this award is really, really appreciated because, as we all know, the COVID pandemic and the lockdowns in 2020 and to an extent 2021, presented a lot of challenges to a lot of customers and people across the world. And for us in Nigeria, the delivery on our Access More mobile app saw over 2 million customers come on board on the app within that period, and we're able to help them transact, to bank, access services, deposit money, and so on and so forth. So this recognition for us is not just deserved, but also heartwarming, because a lot of work in 2020, when nobody could be physical in the business, happened for us to be able to achieve this. And we hope to continue to drive financial inclusion in Nigeria and across Africa for Access Bank. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Congratulations, Chioma, and to Access Bank. We now move over into the, I believe, final category, which is the Country and Regional Awards. And we're going to kick off with the best retail bank within Egypt. And your winner here is National Bank of Egypt. We did have Nancy with us earlier on. She's been called away for other matters, but a huge congratulations to NBE for that accolade. Our next award within the category is the Best Retail Bank Qatar, and it makes sense when we look at your winner here, which is Qatar Islamic Bank. I believe we'll see, we may have the gentleman on screen, but if there is any words that you wish to say, please go ahead. It's a great award, great recognition, and that is for the Best Retail Bank Qatar.
Okay. First of all, thank you, Digital Banker, for giving us this award. Actually, for me, it's a big honor to accept this award on behalf of the entire QIB team for the support from the board and the CEO, and I think most importantly from each and every single team members in QIB, because to have a digital Best Retail Bank Award, it's not just the business alone. A lot of support comes from the IT team, the technology team, the operations team, the credit team, of course, my colleague here, the digital office. So I want to thank everybody, and of course, to our customers who continue to repose faith in us. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much, and well done to Qatar Islamic Bank for that recognition there. We're going to move over to the Best Digital Bank in the UAE, and your winner here is Live Digital Bank. And once again, I believe for the third time, we see Sachin Chandana here to represent the organization. Congratulations to Live Digital Bank. Are there any words you'd like to say?
So yes, thank you so much. On behalf of the Live team, I received this award humbly, and as my other gentleman mentioned just now, that yes, a digital bank is a culmination of efforts from various teams, especially IT, technology, and on behalf of Live, I thank them for this award as well, and the jury. We have just crossed 500,000 customers, and for a digital bank within 5 years to cross that number is a landmark achievement. Right from the start, we have been very different. We have tried to launch features which are geared towards lifestyle rather than just banking. We have recently launched Live Prime. We have a credit card, which is the most flexible card in town, and we also have launched Live Blog. So to those of you who can experience us in UAE and in Saudi, I would request each one to do that. Also, this is another recognition for the team and for the bank, for which we are thankful to Retail Banking Innovation. Thank you so much.
Thanks very much, Sachin. Thanks for representing, and well done to Live Digital Bank there for those efforts and that recognition. We now come to the Best Digital Bank in Egypt, and your winner here is Bank Mus, and here we have the Deputy Chief Transformation Officer, Mr. Amr Mansour. And Amr, I'm going to pass you over to the floor to say a few words. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, Banker. We're really honored to have our transformation journey at Bank Mus selected to receive the Best Digital Bank in Egypt. We started our journey at Bank Mus Transformation Office with the aim to take the lead in digital banking and focuses on providing the best seamless customer experience, and also introduce the state-of-art products, increase bank profitability, as well as digitizing customer journeys. I really would like to thank the team working behind this achievement and the management support that has been instrumental in helping us achieving this remarkable award. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, Amar, and congratulations to Bank Mus there. That was the best digital bank in Egypt. We're now going to move over to the best digital bank in Qatar. And your winner is none other than, once again, QIB for their excellent efforts. And this is for the best digital bank this time in Qatar. Congratulations to the team there. let's move over to the other award within this category. We are very close to the end now, ladies and gents, so thanks very much for staying with us. We have the Best Digital Bank KSA. Unfortunately, due to poor connection, we're not going to be able to hear from this gentleman, but the winner is none other than Meme Digital Banking by GIB, or Gulf International Bank. So congratulations to the entire team and the organization there. And we'll move over to the final country award, which is the Best SME Bank in Nigeria. And for their efforts, we decided that should be going to none other than First City Monument Bank. We did have Paul, but again, due to the connection, and Paul is the head of emerging segment. So once again, congratulations to FCMB for the Best SME Bank in Nigeria. Ladies and gents, I believe that actually concludes our awards gala for today. As I mentioned, this was the Digital Bankers' inaugural awards for retail program within the Middle East and Africa region. But it honestly is a delight. It's an honor to actually assess these organizations along with our panel of judges. We see the opportunities within the landscape, within the region, second to none, with the nuances, as I mentioned earlier, across Africa alone as a continent. When we look at all facets of retail banking, from SME through to the wealth management units of retail banks and the day-to-day retail services that these organizations provide, there is a plethora of change. There is so much opportunity, from the financial inclusion perspective to integration of ecosystems and how banks are servicing customers. We can't wait to see what's next. This program alone has generated a depth of insights that no other organization in the world will have. These particular set of insights, of course, you could say that of any awarding body, but we are excited to be presenting these insights to you in the form of a post-awards report. It will also give you an opportunity to hear a little bit more in depth around some of the initiatives and what really warranted these wins. So there's nothing else for me to say apart from congratulations to all of our winners today. Thanks so much for your support. Keep those submissions coming in, because it really is what enables us to provide these insights and run these assessment programs year on year across all markets. For those of you who may be participating, our next award program coming up is the Global Retail Banking Innovation Awards. This is our flagship product. I believe the awards gala is on 25th of November. So we have quite a large program there to deliver. And then finally, we conclude with the Global Transaction Banking Awards on the 1st of December. And that's all from us this year. Once again, congratulations all. Thank you for your participation. Thank you to HCL for supporting and sponsoring this event. And we will see you later on. Take care. Bye-bye.